Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a recent trade. It's a 2010 Zinger ZT-300-BH. It's a bunkhouse unit. We've got a brand new awning ready to be put on. Lots of storage here back. Classic bunkhouse design, double bunk on the bottom, single on the top, storage, Dometic refrigerator. I like the wallboard colors. It's kind of got that cool little stripes and scratchy type pattern. Very cool. I haven't seen that very often. And a private front bedroom with an actual door on the front. Lots of room to walk around. Lots of storage here. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.